And Jarmelson flicks the puck into the middle. Cut off and carried up ice by Stewart. Oh, my goodness gracious! Oh, you can watch 1,000 hockey games, Peter. You may never see that again in the NHL.
Ever. Crawford was looking to quickly move the puck up ice. And it just, all you have to do is watch Crawford on this play. He sees, you see what he saw, Mike? He saw the Avalanche were changing. He was trying to get it and move it really quickly up the ice. Right there, he sees. And now all of a sudden it goes, and it just goes right under his stick. And just, I mean, you want to talk about a stunner. I'm trying to think back to a time when I've seen that, Mike. Like one that was that unusual. Just the goalie's got it, is coming in. He didn't field it with his glove. He was just going to field it with his stick, play it with his stick, and it just went under, and that was it.